Welcome to your math channel. Here we get you ready for the exam. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like. 4 machines produce 120 pieces in 6 hours. Keeping the same rate, how many pieces will 10 machines produce in 9 hours? 4 machines produce 120 pieces in 6 hours. How many pieces will be produced by 10 machines in 9 hours? Let's calculate the production rate of 1 machine per hour. If 120 pieces are produced by 4 machines in 6 hours, just divide 120 by 4 times 6. We'll have 120 over 24, which equals 5. So each machine produces 5 pieces per hour. If each machine produces 5 pieces per hour, and we have 10 machines, we'll produce 50 pieces per hour. And if we have 9 hours, just multiply by 9 now. So 50 times 9 equals 450. So that's the answer. 10 machines in 9 hours produce 450 pieces, while 4 machines in 6 hours produce 120. Now, don't miss the last question, which a lot of people get wrong on the test. Let's go. If x over 4 equals 5, what is it? What about 4 over x? So, does it seem hard? Let's calculate it here. If this is a division, let's move the number to the other side by multiplying, always doing the inverse. So it becomes x equals 5 times. Duh. X equals 20. If x equals 20, 4 over x is equal to 4 over 20. So in this case, we can actually simplify the expression here by dividing both the numerator and the denominator by 4, which will give us the result of 1 over 5. So it's a question that seems hard, but actually it's simple to solve. We have to find the value of x first, and then find out what 4 over x is. Comment what you want to see in the next videos and leave a like. And if you enjoyed it, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.